Good night, everyone. My name is Rihanna Bernard Samuel, and today I will present on the Morinda Coporation Code of Ethics. In this presentation, we will explore concepts and meaning, as well as the Morinda Coporation Code of Ethics program and what it entails. What is a Code of Ethics, we say? A Code of Ethics is a focal point of an ethics program. A Code of Ethics serves as a statement of intent regarding the ethical behavior of management and employees, and thereby articulates the core of the organization's ethics policy. The Code of Ethics serves as a contract of sorts between the organization and its employees, stakeholders and outsiders. The Code of Ethics usually works in conjunction with a company's mission and vision statement. What is the purpose of a Code of Ethics? The code is to establish a common understanding of the standards of behavior accepted to all employees. It promotes good governance. Codes contribute to the well-being of all stakeholders. It promotes ethical behaviors among employees. It builds trust. It impacts ethical behaviors, clarifies the organization's expectations of employees, and lastly, it teaches desirable decision-making processes. Let us further explore the term Code of Ethics and how the mission and vision statement are incorporated to help the success of a Code of Ethics program. The mission and vision statement are added because a company must be aware of its purpose and reason for existence, and where they intend to be in the future, and what they intend to achieve in the future. The mission statement gives a purpose, while the vision statement gives direction. A mission statement seeks to answer the question who, what, and how. Elements that make up an effective Code of Ethics program: the mission statement, the vision statement, the core values, and the Code of Ethics. All these elements of the Code of Ethics come together and work holistically for the success of any ethics program. Let us not forget that an ethics program is created for a reason. It is either to fix current behavior or to prevent current employees from performing unethical actions. Unethical actions is what ruins the reputation of companies. Let us take, for instance, the Enron scandal. Remember, Enron managers and their greed is what caused the failure of Enron. Let us go further to look at what the mission and vision statement entail. A mission statement defines the present state or purpose of an organization. It provides answers to the what it does, who it does it for, and how it does what it does. Whereas the vision statement gives a clear direction, the mental picture of what an organization wants to achieve over time. Below, we will look at the Morinda Coporation mission and vision statement. Their mission statement is to be the best in our field of providing to all your needs and to ensure our stakeholders get the value they deserve from our products and services. We aspire to become a household name which is known to serve our stakeholders with the best products and services. Let us to what is a code of conduct. An employee code of conduct includes expectations and defines acceptable behaviors. The Morinda Coporation code of conduct. To be a company that fosters and encourages honesty among employees at all organizational levels. To be a company that promotes the fair treatment for all stakeholders. This company discourages any personal biased behavior towards any individual concerning their religion, sex, gender, age, physical disabilities, and other personal attributes. To be a company that strays away from false advertising and misleading messages. To be a company that abides by the governing laws of the land. To be a company that enhances and welcomes workforce diversity and diversified thinking among stakeholders to ensure and a positive contribution to the growth of the company. To be a company that fosters respect for both company and its stakeholders' belongings. And lastly, to be a company that promotes and seeks to ensure that stakeholders' health and safety is protected and taken special care of. The company's code of conduct is developed from the company's core values. Therefore, we could see that the code of conduct expresses or identifies what is acceptable and expected by and from the company. Here we see that our code of conduct, apart from stemming our core values, also falls into or could be identified with different categories. These categories include legislation and the government and our stakeholders, example, employees, customers, suppliers, owners and investors, competition, communities, and the environment. Each code of conduct listed above holds an esteemed place in our company and is listed there for a reason. Let us go further and look at the rationale for Morinda Corporation Code of Ethics. It seeks to address employee theft, poor customer service, encourage innovation to ensure leaders are performing their duties. A code of ethics guides all managerial decisions, creating a common framework upon which all decisions are founded. This can help to create a cohesive understanding of the boundaries within an organization and the standards set for interacting with external stakeholders. A formal, well-communicated code of ethics can also help to protect a company's reputation and legal standing in the event of a breach of ethics by an individual employee. The Morinda Corporation seeks to protect their reputation. And therefore, in creating this code of ethics, this should help minimize some of the problems they are facing. Here are a few do's and don'ts at Morinda Corporation. Do report on ethical practices. Do maintain independence and impartiality in your duty to serve the public interest. Here we look at a few don'ts. Do not use public office for private gain. Do not participate in matters in your official capacity in which your members of your family have a personal financial interest. Do not make a government decision outside official channels. Do not accept gifts, entertainment, favors, free travel or meals from persons or organizations doing or seeking to do business with the organization. Do not disclose privileged information you possess only because of your position. Do not work on your own projects on company's time. I hope you understand and you did enjoy this PowerPoint presentation. And This could further develop your knowledge on employee code of ethics and how a code of ethics can help an organization. The end.